Right now vlog live. The outside snowstorm today, people. Welcome to BOXX TV vlog live with me, J.S.
Frass TV.
BOXX TV, check it out.
Yeah, BOXX TV vlog live. BOXX TV vlog live. That's right now. BOXX TV vlog live. Yo, people out do cold so till it look bad. I'm in a short sleeve shirt. Is what I say. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new to the channel, make sure you say you subscribe. Is what I say. I mean, if I first I watch my video them and you don't subscribe yet, do that now. If you're subscribed already, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay, and you're watching BOXX TV vlog live. So yeah, people, we just drop a smash our pass video from my YouTube channel. It'll go on good. If you wanna see it yet, you can go check it out. Big up to Sammy and Sandy for share the video and comment and subscribe. And big up to naturally Miss Taya to comment and subscribe too. Me soon, yes me. So Samantha will put up a video on her Snapchat. Big up for that. Respect that. Support. Isn't me? Yeah. So I'm glad you know. I'm going to IKEA, I'm cold.
Not enough TV. Okay, I kind of have.
So yeah.
That boy buggy.
Goes there too.
Up.
Mad thing.
BOXX.
Oh, different. So yeah, people. Thanks for the support on the video. If you don't see it yet, you go and go watch it right now.
Yeah, why can't you see, man?
If video a shot right now, you see me.
From me and you.
Jenna white out. Dark skin. Yeah man, so Samantha, you put the video on your Snapchat and you send your people them go watch it. So much respect for that support, is the message. Yeah man, I'm glad you watch the video and you enjoy and you laugh and one bag of things, you know? Respect for that. And make sure you say you check out the rest of the video them and the vlogs them, because you don't know anything set, you know. BOXX TV. So more hope the rest of girls them when do this smash our pass fan, hope so them see the video too. And yeah, them react to it and whatever. And them like it, you see me? So me and Cousin touch out and now we are touch the road.
Oh man.
See me? We are touch the road, we are going to look like one store to see if we find no clothes. Bye. But first, don't know, so I have to stop at KFC and I'm sitting. Chicken to a thing. I'm going to eat for a man at 2 o'clock now, after 2. Soon 3 o'clock. Because when I upload the video, I share it to people, you see me. And Ebony, big up myself because I used any video to Sammy and Sandy about them see it. So big up myself with that, much respect, much love. So I say cause, yeah, respect. So people I got KFC right now and then when I follow with me. So yeah. Buckle up on the seatbelt and roll in. As me I say, got a vlog here. BOXX TV was so forward. 3-punch mix them. So me there at KFC and I'm telling say yo, me have to stop at KFC if you buy something for sample first, yeah, see me before do anything. No ice. Ice will kill everything.
Is it fruit punch and orange?
Yeah man. But mostly fruit punch. As I say people, then buy piece of chicken. I only chicken me eat. Only chicken, we don't eat vegetable and anything there. As I say. But yeah, open and subscribe to the channel and go check out my new video. I say smash our pass. Video go on good people. So make sure you go check it out. To move fast. To all the new subscribers them, welcome to my channel. I am a vlogger fam. Yeah, so but there And we do something else, I'm checking back too. Big up to everybody. Frass BOXX TV. So over there I look close as it. Actually I look one shirt from my little cousin. Cause New Year's I'm birthday. You want to print something funny for him. Happy New Year's. I'm kind of thing fine. Happy New Year's. I gotta take a picture and send it because. So I look shirt as it.
Frass BOXX.
So people to a time call. Me telling them say yo the water them outside freeze up on anything there. Yeah. I'm gonna show this to people. Watch ya. This water was sick up on the road, people. See that? And to our outside cold, the thing freeze up.
Wow.
Like say ice when they in a fridge. See there? Freeze up, people. I don't know I'm out of this. You see me?
Frass BOXX.
Right now, Black Life with the laundromat. But the laundromat, they have gaming thing there. You see it? And all of beer, fun stuff. PS4. You know? That look cool if you have one now there. The hot and snow hot and everything there.
Yo, we're gonna fire it in a boy.
You play a game? You play a game?
We're gonna play a game now.
I play that driving one then.
The game?
Yes.
You have to put more money in there.
Oh, dang it. Dang.
I want money I put tonight?
I don't have no more. Oh, see, I don't have no more. I can't shoot it. Dang it. Yo, holy shit.
I wait for sure. Reload.
You guys don't want to play, are you?
Reload.
No, it's not. Reload.
Boy, dead.
Reload.
Reload.
This is going to say reload.
Frass BOXX.
So people there in a laundromat, I don't have money. Play a game. Yeah. Eh? You have to move it to the one you want. You have to hurry up in there, run out of time. Yeah, the other one there. Nah, catch you there, you think them tricky. So, vlog life. There's snow outside. Mommy just wake up and she go cover the car. Right now 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock people in the morning. Mommy wake up and she go cover the car. Cause it has snow. The thing is, we didn't know say it was snow, but it never did for snow. It never did for snow this early. Cause me look on the thing, but it said 9 p.m. not 9 a.m. Not 9 a.m. So that's why I never covered from last night. And right now, I can go back to sleep. Because I don't wake. Today I'm day off. But I hope it's not fall hard. Our mood of mine is stopped right now. Because I did go line up today. Because I look like Cruff now. Well, not really. I can't get no more beer. That is the only thing I can get. You see me? I can't get no more people. This I can't get no more. I swear. No matter how I try. We can't get no more. This is it. This is all I can get. We can't get no more. So. But me do want to line up today and me have a party for touch. You know them way there? So I don't want the snow to fall hard. I'm more to stop right now. You see me breath? You see that? So out there cold people. We do out there vlog said here. You see it? Well, you see that down? I smoke, me I smoke. Alright, so vlog life, me the outside and now. Snow get enough people, enough, kuya. Tripod and move shaky. Yeah. Now 2 socks me have on people, watch ya. 2 socks, me well chop up. You see me I say? Hold on, I'm screw on the tripod, they're good. You see me I say people? Alright, ready again, yeah. You see me I say? 2 socks me have on. Only pass snow time. I mean, they work. I alone they out in the snow. When I start freezing, when you start freezing, I go inside. Snow really cold, people, really cold. Is it me I say? Yes, clear. Ay. It's soon kinda ease up, you see it? Now fall so hard again. I want some cool montage. Alright, hold on there. Yeah, me I do some montage right now and show you. BOXX TV.
BOXX.
So yeah, we hope you enjoy the montage there. Yeah, some cool cinematic shots, you know. And not much. I freeze right now, I prefer going back inside. Yeah, people, dirty, you see me? Go stop. We have something to see in front. See, watch out, look at it. I only pass snow this year. Look here, look here. From full last.
Yo. Nossa.
So we are going now back here now, because back door.
C'est clair.
Your back door full of snow, you can't out meet people, you see me?
You're running full of
Yo! I hold my snow.
Yeah. Yo. Naki.
Yo!
Nossa. So my boy can't come on?
Can't go.
Eh? Yo, clean up my boy. My boy now, come on. I was stuck in there. Yo, clean my boy door. Come on, where am I go?
See, because I don't hold the camera, people.
Frass box.
Yeah, people. Come on, me, I freeze up this up. So there, see me.
Stop up! This one, Connie, has to pay the cup.
Take what?
Just right over there.
I get, think I might get cold, I know, people. You see me? Snowstorm, not enough now here, me, you know. So I call out to them, I did through it, but I call out because I can't drive in this snowstorm. Yeah. Hold on there. Camera out of people. Hold on there. Get that kind of better. Nah, man, that's snow here in jail. Sister?
Yeah, back door. I hate that one.
Yeah, man. So I go on to his dad. Look at sister. Good day. Cool.
Frass box.
You want a long time?
So yeah, people, they're back out here. Yeah, man. That if we go down one back. So, I can't see myself so good, people, because let me chat to you for a little bit then. Me hide. So yeah, I can't see myself good, because no man, they want to out of this up. Because I put one scanner bag on my phone, you see it. Because I did it out here with it, and my phone went up, it couldn't charge. The charging part never that work, so. Charging part never that work, so I have to blow Jai out and it start working now, so. Put one scanner bag over if you know shake up again. Pankals out there, sir. Oh, Chacha! Oh, they have to do some black food, the people. You see me I say, yeah, man. Be strong! Wait, cabbage in there. Oh, we have to put it over so that. Yo, holy for snow there in the dark. So take days to melt, you know, brother. Or 1 month, you know.
Yeah, we can't snow.
Yeah, we just snow, watch out, people. But we'll carry up one. So we'll try carry one first. People, look from my window over this one. Look from my window, people. How much minute me have? 11 minutes. From window. Window full of people. Look here.
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah, dog. Good day. Ain't the corner one there.
I said
The
that.
corner piece there. You just catch off, dog, neatly.
You're free.
Can you catch off neatly? Come on, we have to show nice streets on this one.
Yeah, bring some money.
No, I'm bringing it up. A snow storm, yeah. Fun. Look funny, look funny. Funny mailbox. What mean, Jenna?
Frass box.
Yeah. Kuya dad! Kaya look at people. Eh? Yo! Yo, this a tad mood of dog. Yo, go walk on the road, girl. Look at the dog. This is too much. Walk on. You watch it to win, oh, yo, we don't have to go, you see it.
Frass box.
If you want gas line. Come here.
Nossa!
Yo, send this the other one. Box God. Yo! Yo! Get on the dog!
Frass box.
People, look here.
Walk on.
Big old iceberg. You have food in the cold, you know? Finger them a freeze off, do. Yeah. Yeah. Ra. Wow, that ain't there right now. A whole heap of snow this year, that me I tell you. I'll do one for that walk. A whole heap of snow for creep with two bunky deagos. People we are going inside, you cold! How will you for me need this in the dog? Kuya people, I need. I'm in need this year. I'm in a touch ground yet.
Nossa!
Me need. Kuya. Sure. What's it?
My work here, guy.
Frass box.
It's a snowstorm and this guy outside with a bicycle, man. Yeah. We all on side. I chose a small fight. Small.
Frassbox.
So, alright people, so yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it, because I enjoy making this video a lot. This is like my second snowstorm, and I enjoy that one more than the last one. If you not see the last one, you can go check it out too. It's on my channel. Snowstorm, I think I said name, number vlog number how much. When you can go check it out. Yeah, if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribe it, please do that for me. Subscribe, turn on the post notification. If you're new to the vlog and you subscribe, leave a comment, let me know say about. Smash the like button. Just beat up the like button for me. Share the video with a friend, share it to family member, because yeah, the vlog is nice to spend a good time with the family in the snow. So you make them see that. And yeah, the vlog I just me enjoy making the vlog, so I hope you enjoy it, and like just smash up the like button and comment, and come chat to you when you comment, so you can comment. I'm gonna chat back to you. Share with a friend, as me just say. WhatsApp, Snapchat, screenshotting and send it go give people and make them check it out. Sammy and Sandy, respect for the shout out on the vlog and on the shared on WhatsApp and everything. Big up for that. Really appreciate that, like no joke. Isn't me? So respect for the support. Hope that vlog yeah get enough support like my last video get the support like me smash our past video. Yeah, I hope that vlog get enough support like that. So please share the video. Isn't me? Frassbox TV. Make a play one music video at the end of that video. Yeah. My vlog. My brother Razor Blade, so you can go check him out. Yeah, in music video he actually did nice. So you can go check out that for me, please and thanks. Links are going in the description. So yeah, smash the subscribe button. Turn on the post notification, people, so you can know when post a new vlog, because the vlogs them lit, don't it? Frassbox TV vlog live. A vlog yeah. Done.
Frassbox TV.
Yeah, me go put some credit on my digital sim. Me want make 2 phone call off a ring. Try fi link up Chase, tell him where he must bring. See the one came out, who me now call him. Put some credit on my digital sim.